Hello viewers. To make a PDF file, at first open Play Store. Now click on the search bar. Type, image to PDF converter. Here the third one you have to install. I have already installed it. So open the image to PDF converter app. Now click the plus icon. Then select by pictures. Now allow everything. Here you can select the images you want to use to make a PDF file. Now press convert to PDF. Again press on convert to PDF. Done. Your PDF file has been created. Now click open. Here is the PDF file you just made. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, a subscribe to the channel will be helpful.